you got it. Come on, he's ready, set. Here we go. Look at this. This is it. It's now or never. It's now or never. Take it now, Lee, because we're leaving. I don't blame her. I don't blame you. I was really sad. Well, how long is it going to take to take a picture? You like that one? You like that one? And I love you too. Mama love you too. I saw you. I talked on the phone to you. Okay?
Henry says he will be United States, defeating Tomohiro Matsunaga today in the final of the 3,055-kilogram division. That's 121 pounds. Taking the first United States wrestling gold. 21-year-old
I love you too. Oh, give me your foot, huh? You got pretty teeth. Pretty teeth. I can play with you this year too. Can I play with it? That's it. No more on there. After I look a little better, I don't like this. Right now, I don't like this.
Yeah. Brooke, let's look at the staghorn. So tell us about your staghorn.
The staghorn is doing beautiful. Maybe I'll leave this one out here because it's really nice out here. Did you notice the babies? Look at this. This hardly ever happens. Drechia. And I've had this one for like 20 years. And it broke off when the termite people did it. Isn't this beautiful?
That's huge.
Come along, guys. I took a baby off here.
Uh-huh.
5. 4 are doing okay. 1 looks like it's not made. It's withering. But 4 out of 5 are doing okay. You want to send me watering today? Would you be able to water? Make sure these are all watered by.
Yes, we will water.
Really.
Oh, Cole, when you realize that someone is, you're supposed to smile. You're not supposed to look at them like you got me.
Oh, wow, that one has to get watered more.
So try a close up with a smile as you walk towards the camera. We'll splice this in. Oh, this is your line. Oh, I'm your emulator. Oh, you're videotaping me. Oh, you got me.
Oh, gosh, you got me on videotape. Damn you.
I'll turn it off. I'll tell you next time before I start videoing you.
Sure you will.
Here, Brooke comes. She likes this script. Come on, Brooke.
See how it's drooping? It needs to be more here. Thank you. This is water. One more before Mongo thinks it's ready. Come on. You see her sassy looking love. Come on. Cover me up. Cover me up, Miss Brooke. Cover me up. Yay. There she is. There she is. The beautiful lady. She's a pretty girl. You're so pretty. I know it. I know it. You're doing good. You're doing really good, sweetheart. Hopefully these will bloom again. They were blooming right when we left. These are the lilies. They come from Hawaii. Yeah. They split. Every year they split again, so I really appreciate you watering. I appreciate that. They look good. Yeah, so they split, so that's now 1. Oh, all 5 are coming out. So I've had this 5 years. Every year it splits. Again.